Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you some ideas on how you can use rainbow rice. Before we jump into the video, if you don't know how to make the rainbow rice, I've made a video on that one as well. I'll post a link to it in the description box below. The first way that you can use rainbow rice is in arts and crafts. For this craft, you're going to put glue into a cup and then use a Q-tip to spread it onto the paper. Once the desired area is covered, you can start to sprinkle the rainbow rice onto the paper. Lightly pat it down so that it sticks, and then you can shake off the excess into a paper plate. Continue doing this color by color until your entire page is covered. This next idea was inspired by a childhood favorite of mine. Do you guys remember the sand bottles? Well, this is the same idea. So basically all you need is a nice jar or pretty bottle, and then you can layer the rainbow rice layer by layer into the desired color pattern of your choice. This next idea is great for letter practice. All you have to do is spread a thin layer of rainbow rice onto a paper plate, use your finger to make the letters, and then shake it to reuse it over and over again. This next idea is great for little kids. They are musical shakers. To make these, you just need a small container with a lid. You fill up the rainbow rice about halfway and then close the container. You can add tape for reinforcement. Sensory bins are probably the most popular way that rainbow rice is used. To make a sensory bin, you start it with a bin, then you can add some rainbow rice, and then on top of that you can go ahead and add some gems, miniature toys, some scoops, cups and tweezers, whatever you think that your kid would enjoy, and then let them have at it. Another way that you can use rainbow rice is to make this fun I Spy bottle. First you will need your I Spy items, so gather some miniature items. Then lay your items onto a white surface and then take a picture with your phone. Print the picture that you just took and then cut it out into a square. Then using a funnel, pour some of the rainbow rice into the bottom of the bottle, stop and add a few items, pour in more rainbow rice, add more items, and then continue on until all the items have been added. Now grab the picture that you took of the I Spy items and then tape a piece of string to the back of that picture. Unscrew the lid and then tape the other side of the string close to the mouth of the bottle. That way when you screw on the lid you can't see the tape anymore. And there you go, now you have a fun I Spy bottle for your kid to play with. If you like this one, I also made a blog post on how to make an I Spy bag. I'll post a link to that blog post in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Subscribe on my channel.